The Centellian24 Madeca TECA RETINOLSOM 0.2 plus firming serum is a surprisingly gentle introduction to retinol, perfect for anyone nervous about peeling or irritation. Its texture is thick and buttery, almost like caramel syrup, which makes it feel very rich and plumping on application, though it can feel heavy for oily or combination skin. The star ingredients, including encapsulated retinol plus TECA, bakuchiol, peptides, and multiple types of hyaluronic acid, make the serum incredibly hydrating and give the skin an immediate, bouncy, healthy glow. While the 0.2% retinol is too mild for anyone used to stronger formulas, it's excellent for beginners or those with sensitive, dry, or mature skin looking for barrier support. Some might find the scent a little unusual, and the results lean more toward hydration and radiance than dramatic lifting or wrinkle reduction, but that's exactly the point. It's a hydrating serum with a side of retinol, not a heavy-duty anti-aging treatment. Overall, it's a solid, well-formulated option for K-beauty fans or anyone easing into retinol for the first time.